Hey everybody, welcome back to Drifting Dreams Fabrication. Hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. I got some sad news for you about the motor build. I lost a lot of footage for it. Mainly, I still have most of it up until where I was putting on the front cover, but everything that I lost was, I was deleting the water pump and stuff like that, so not too big of a deal. Not missing out on much, but we got most of the footage. But I just wanted to let you guys know in the beginning of the video, we lost footage, so nobody's really lost at the end of it. But we're deleting the water pump, putting on some Earl's tubes, and going electric inline. I saved that information for the end, but it got deleted, so I'm telling you in the beginning. So you guys enjoy the video. Stay posted, like, comment, subscribe. Tips, tricks, put them in the comments. Hey everybody, welcome back to Drifting Dreams Fabrication. Hope you guys are having a great day. Today we're working on the 5.3, getting all the bearings put into it. Finally got genuine GM bearings, and we're gonna get it back going together. So let's get right into it. Hey everyone, another day, another dollar. We're getting right back at it. Today we got a walnut blaster, and we're going to be cleaning up the air intakes on this, and then kind of cleaning up the bottom of the head. As you can see, it's just a little bit dirty and stuff. But yeah, so let's get right into it. Alright everybody, so we got all of our dual valve springs in the heads, both sides. Now all we got to do is we got to put in our LS7 lifters. That's real simple, real easy. But it's getting late tonight, so we're going to resume tomorrow after I get off of work. But once we get the lifters in, and then we got to torque down the heads, put the heads on. Once we get the heads on, then we'll figure out our push rod lengths. So once we figure out our push rod lengths, then we can pretty much put on the valve covers. And once we get the valve covers on, the intake goes on, yada, yada, yada. And when I'm filming tomorrow, I'll show you guys some of the new parts we got, along with the LS7 lifters, but we also got something else. So this right here is a DOD delete plate. And as you can see, as it matches up, boom, 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 yada, yada, you see it. There's gaskets here, the seal on this completely blocks it off, etc. And that will sit just like so, and voila. Anyways, let's get right into it. I wanted to update you guys on these beautiful parts that I got. As you can see, they're all billet aluminum, and yeah. I just put in the LS7 lifters, and then I had to order some parts because I found and did some research that the original head bolts, you cannot reuse them. I mean, you can, but they're torque to yield, and what torque to yield means is a stretch, or they're torqued to a point where they're almost about to break. But so once they're to that point, they become brittle, and they don't exactly tighten down correctly. And if you were to try and torque them down again, you could high possibility chance of breaking. So we got some new ones. ARP. And they're studs, not bolts. So we're going to install these today. I know I said I was going to install the DOD, but after putting in the LS7 lifters, and it was just too late that night. So we are going to install the heads, put the DOD on, and then that'll conclude what we're filming today. Oh, and by the way, if you're ever doing a LS rebuild, this is called a oil goalie barbell. So I got this so it would help improve oil flow. Where this is at, it's located in the back of the motor, and I'll show you when I'm pulling it out. And the other one, the original, is plastic. This is billet, it's smooth edges and everything like that, and it's also got a tap screw on the back if you ever need to replace seals. So that's super nice. And yeah, so let's get right into it. So thank you guys for sticking along and following along the build. It's super exciting. A lot of big things are happening, and I'm just working a lot trying to make sure I can continue on with the build. But I hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, comment, subscribe. If you got any tips, tricks, comments, questions, concerns, put them in the comment section. Follow me on my social medias. I'll put them in the description. And you guys have a wonderful day.